How to apply for home credit in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to apply for home credit in Lazada. First, open the Lazada wallet app and log in to your account. You will see different products on the home page. Review all the products and tap on any you want to buy. Select the attributes of the product, including color and size. Tap on the Add to My Picks button. It will be added to your cart successfully. Tap on the Checkout button at the bottom. You have to select the payment method. Add your payment method like credit and then enter details. Proceed to payment and your order will be placed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.